This is a brief introduction to our copyright materials. One thing to be very aware of is that this is a very defense-oriented presentation. In advertising review, the copyright questions we ask are about ownership, clearance, and risk. The first question you want to ask in any copyright dispute is the copyright registered? Timely registration gives a plaintiff more leverage because of the possibility of statutory damages and attorney's fees for works that are registered either shortly after publication or before the infringement starts. But registration of US work is actually required before you should take a copyright claim seriously. A US plaintiff can't sue at all without having a registration in hand. If it's not a US work, registration before suit isn't required, but for all works, US and non-US, only actual damages will be available in the absence of timely registration, which means that registration shortly after publication or before the infringement begins. Note on copyright small claims. A copyright small claims proceeding, which was introduced at the end of 2020 and will get up and running sometime in the next couple of years, copyright small claims can be filed once the registration has been applied for, but even then the registration must issue for the claim to proceed to judgment. Even without a timely registration, in a small claims proceeding, the claimant can seek up to $30,000 in statutory damages, though not attorney's fees. It may thus be advisable for a well-advised defendant to opt out of the small claims proceeding since it is voluntary. You always have the choice to say no and have the claim go to federal court. However, if a defendant does not affirmatively opt out, it will participate and be bound by the small claims proceeding unless this is invalidated on constitutional grounds, and some challenges are anticipated. So that's it for sort of the practical realities. We'll talk more in class. Thanks.